Everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to create this Cupertino segmented control widget. As you can see, it's placed in my app bar here with these sections. Press this, it changes the widget I have here. And then press this, changes this, and then back. Okay, so we're going to try to create what you can see on the screen here. Okay, so I already have some boilerplates ready, and then I'm in my build method, my scaffold. For the body of my scaffold, I'm just returning this centered widget with a text inside which says center. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this widget in my app bar. So I'm going to go ahead and say app bar, and app bar. I'm going to give my app bar an elevation 2.0, and a background color. I'm going to use colors as white, center title true. I'm going to give my app bar title text. I'm going to call this title. You can see I have this app bar here with a title in it, but you can't really see the title because it's also white. So I'm going to give my title a color. I'm going to style, text style, and the color property colors dot black. Okay, so now you can see my title up here. So the app bar also takes another property called bottom, and this bottom is where we want to place our segmented control widget. But before then, we want to put this segmented control in a preferred size widget so as to make it with the available space in the horizontal lines. So I'm going to say preferred size takes a property called preferred size, and this preferred size typically takes a size widget. So I'm going to say, and you notice how this size widget takes a width and a height. So for the width, I'm going to say double dot infinity. So this is going to show all the available space for the width, and for the height, I'm going to give it a 45.0. The preferred size, which is also takes a child, and for the child, we're going to put a padding. So we're going to put a padding because we need some space around this widget here. And this padding takes a padding property. I'm going to say edge insert only. On the top, I want to put 5.0 there. And then on the bottom, and the padding also takes a child property. The child, I'm going to put a row. So the segmented widget is going to go here. But before then, I want to put some space on the left and on the right of the widget. So to do that, I'm going to use size box. The width. Since I want some space on the left and some space on the right, I'm going to copy this. So the Cupertino segmented widget will go into one more widget, which is the expanded widget. I'm going to say expanded. Then the child of this expanded widget will be my Cupertino segmented widget. So I'm going to say Cupertino segmented control. Okay, so this is the widget I'm trying to put in my app bar. And then this Cupertino segmented control widget takes some properties. One is group value, on value changed, and then children. So the children property is typically a map of dynamic type to widget, and the dynamic type we are going to use an integer. So I'll go up here and see final map of integer. So my dynamic type will be integer, and then a widget. I'm gonna call this logo widget. Const int and widget. bringing back my image. So we're trying to place this text here and then represent them with indexes. So this will be 0, 1, 2. So that anytime we click on this, we have an index of 0. When we click on this, we have an index of 1, and then when we click on this, we have an index of 2. And based on that, we'll be able to do something here. Okay, so back to my code. Okay, so I'm going to say for my integer, the first one will be 0. And the widget I want to display, there will be text. I'm going to call it head1 for the text, head2, then 2 text. Okay, and I'm going to copy this here. And put it at the children property. So next, what we want to do is give them a group value. And this group value is typically an integer. So I'm going to go up here and create an integer variable. I'm going to call it their group value. Now set it to 0. And I'm going to copy this from here and paste it. Okay, so next is this unchanged value. So what will this unchanged value do? It will actually return an integer for us. So what we want to do is take this integer and call it change from group value. So back to my picture. This is a 0th index, this is 1, and this is 2. So when you click this, the index changes to 1, and then this it goes to 2, and then this is 0. So anytime you click on any of these, a value is returned, and the value is the one that will be put into our variable change from group value. So when you click on this is 0, and then when you click on this is 1, and when you click on this is 2. So what you want to do when you click on any of the tiles is call set state and say their group value should be equal to change from group value. I'm going to save this. Okay, and you can see now we have this items here. And then when I click this, it changes and then goes back to here and then here. Okay, so just a quick reminder, as at the time of recording this video, this widgets here can only be a maximum of 3. So that's just a quick note. So now what we want to do is we want to change the body of this anytime any of these things is pressed to a different widget. So to do that, I'm going to go up again, come here and create a method that will return the center widget. So I'm going to say static widget and call it give center. And I'm going to return a centered widget for a child text. Okay, so what I want to display will actually be provided here so that it will be based on the screen that you are on. Your text, I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna decorate this with a style, color dot blue, and then the font size 20.0. Okay, so that will be that. So the next thing I want to do is create a list of 3 widgets to represent each of these items. Okay, so I'm going to create a list of widgets. I'm calling bodies. So inside this body, I'm gonna call my give center method and provide a string called homepage and another search and another chat room. Now that I have these bodies, I'll use them with their corresponding headings here as shown here. Okay, so I'm going to remove this centered widget from here and say it should be my bodies as the current group value. Remember that I said anytime you click on this, the group value changes and it will be put here. And remember I also said that we are putting this group value into their group value here. So what I'll do is I'll copy this group value and put it here. So this will be an integer 0, 1 or 2. And then if it's 0, we'll take bodies at 0. If it's 1, we'll take bodies at 1. And if it's 2, we'll take bodies at 2. And just to show you again, this is our bodies list, a list of widgets. I'm going to save this. Okay, and you can see we have this in the middle of our screen because our current index is 0. Then when we go to second index, it changes to search page. Then the third one, it changes to chat room. And back again. Okay, so that will be it for this tutorial. Do check out my other tutorials for other Flutter Cupertino widgets. I'll leave the links to those videos in the description.